What's up, AI enthusiasts? Welcome back to AI Weekly from Techie Talks AI. I am your host Afijit, and this September 17th edition might be our most packed episode yet. We have got OpenAI dropping their most powerful coding model, Meta revealing $800 smart glasses that could change everything, and India unveiling a plan to capture $17 trillion in AI value. Plus, we are tracking over $2 billion in fresh AI startup funding that just landed this week. Let's dive in. Starting with our biggest story, OpenAI just launched GPT-5-Codex on September 15th, and this isn't just another model update. This is specifically engineered for what they call agentic coding, meaning it can work independently for over 7 hours of complex programming tasks. 7 hours! That's longer than most of us can code without a break. The model is rolling out now to ChatGPT Plus, Pro, Business and Enterprise users through their Codex platform. What makes it special? It outperforms standard GPT-5 on SWE bench verified and can handle everything from building full projects from scratch to conducting code reviews that catch critical bugs before they ship. But OpenAI wasn't the only one making moves this week. Meta Connect 2025 kicked off yesterday, and Mark Zuckerberg just unveiled their most ambitious hardware yet. The Hypernova smart glasses, expected to retail around $800. These aren't just camera glasses anymore. We are talking compact displays controlled by hand gestures through a neural wristband powered by Meta AI. This could be the moment smart glasses actually become mainstream. Meta has already sold 2 million Ray-Ban glasses since 2023, and now they are betting that 80% of their future value will come from AI hardware like this. Google wasn't sitting still either. They expanded AI mode in search to over 180 new countries this month, bringing AI-powered search with personalized recommendations and collaborative sharing to millions more users. The really interesting part? They have added audio AI overviews. So now Google can literally talk you through search results with AI-generated audio summaries. Plus, the new live voice chat feature lets you have real-time conversations with Gemini right in the Google app. Now for some news that affects millions of Claude users. Anthropic is making a major policy change with a September 28 deadline. Starting then, all consumer Claude users will be opted into data training by default, meaning your future chats could be used to train their AI models. Here is what you need to know. The toggle is on by default. So if you want to opt out, you need to do it manually before September 28th. They are also extending data retention from 30 days to 5 years for opted-in users. Enterprise and API users aren't affected, but millions of regular users need to make this decision in the next 11 days. This week also saw Samsung's AI Forum 2025 in Korea, bringing together global AI leaders including Yoshua Bengio and Stanford's Stefano Ehrman. Samsung is clearly positioning itself at the center of AI hardware innovation, focusing on what they call vertical AI strategies for semiconductors. The timing is perfect as we are seeing this massive convergence between AI software and specialized hardware across the industry. Speaking of industry momentum, September 10th was absolutely insane for AI funding. We are tracking multiple rounds totaling over $2 billion in a single day. Cognition AI raised $400 million for their coding agent Devin. Mistral secured $2 billion for open source AI models. And Pixware's AI grabbed $60 million for AI video creation. This isn't just hype money. We are seeing targeted investments in specific AI capabilities that businesses actually need. The message from VCs is clear. AI infrastructure is no longer experimental. It's essential. But perhaps the most ambitious story this week comes from India. The country just released their AI for Vikasit Bharat strategy, a roadmap to capture 10 to 15% of global AI value, potentially adding $17 to $26 trillion to the economy by 2035. India is leveraging their 20% share of global chip design engineers and launching 38,000 plus GPUs through a federated compute network. They are not just trying to catch up, they are planning to leapfrog with India-specific AI models trained on local languages and contexts for healthcare, agriculture, and governance. Finally, Apple continued expanding Apple Intelligence this month with new language support including Chinese, Dutch, Portuguese, and Turkish. The September iOS 26 update brought enhanced visual intelligence, improved Genmoji creation, and better integration with ChatGPT. Apple's taking the steady approach while others make big splashes. But they are methodically building AI into every aspect of their ecosystem. And that wraps our September 17th AI Weekly. From OpenAI's 7-hour coding agent to Meta's $800 smart glasses to India's $1 trillion AI bet. This week showed us that AI isn't coming. It's here and accelerating faster than ever. Which story surprised you most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if this was helpful, and subscribe for next week's episode, where we'll be covering whatever insane developments happen in this rapidly evolving space. Until then, keep building the future. Thank you. Bye-bye.